Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and I have a very special treat for you guys because we have a very special collaboration, a very special set of sneakers that I'm going to unbox for you today. This is the Adidas Swarovski Superstar in collaboration partnership with Filipino street artist and toy artist Quiccs. You wanna see both of them? They're blingy AF. Let's go. Now, before we get started with the unboxing, let me just announce that our new collaboration shirt with Paulo Tomenes is now available on our Lazada shop, Project 721. So if you take a look at the shirt, it says over here, peace, God bless, what's up, boom. Those are the icons. That's how I close my vlog. And if you take a look at the back, it says dream, do, learn, win. You have the skateboard of Paulo over there, a really nice coat, and of course the logos of our merch brand. So if you guys want to pick one up, limited quantities, the link can be found down below to our Project 721 Lazada shop. Now, to those who don't know who Quiccs is, he's the guy who does all of the toys, or most of the toys that you guys see over there at my back. So those robots over there, Philippine flag inspired, gaming inspired, the smaller ones over here, these toys over here. I love his work primarily because it meshes together stuff that I love. You have Japanese culture, you have streetwear, and you have friggin' robots. So all of those things combined equals the stuff that he makes. Filipino by heart, Filipino by blood, Filipino artistry and work. Love his stuff. And that's why I'm so excited that he has this partnership with Adidas where he's able to push his Nanoteq toy line. Those are like the smaller toys that are bundled with the sneakers. Before we get to the bundled toys, let's get to the shoes, and then we will get to the Quiccs figure that you can get every time you buy any of these shoes from Commonwealth. So simulan natin sa Superstar. So oh ganda niya, OMG! Panalo! This, I think, oh my man, this is a really nice box. Wow! Wow. Well, that's me being a Quiccs fan talking. But anyway, so you have the print of the Nanoteq over here. You have Superstar. You have Quiccs written on the side. Man, this is really awesome. So, bam! Take a look at that. Take a look at how nice that Swarovski inspired Nanoteq is. Panalo. Panalo talaga. This is a big win in my opinion. So we'll set this aside and then we'll take a look at the shoe. So this is the actual sneaker. Allow me to show ang kintab. Talk about bling. So this is your traditional Adidas Superstar silhouette. But the big difference obviously is that it is blinged F up. So if you take a look at the back, the Adidas logo there at the heel, you have that shiny thing going on with the diamond effect. You have the crystals here on the three stripes as well. You have it also on the tongue tab. Guys, take a look at how crazy that is. That is insane. And then you also have over here, if you take a look at the Dubre, it says with Swarovski Crystals. Wow. This is bling AF. I mean, wow. Kung gusto mo magmukhang mayaman, suotin mo to, di ba? So yeah, this is the Adidas Superstar, and it looks really crazy. Classic. I love the fact that they stuck with the classic Superstar colors. I mean, they could have picked any other color, but they went with the black and white. Perfect decision in my opinion. Kind of makes it a little bit more timeless. And I'm glad that they didn't go overboard with the crystals. They just accented the familiar things that you see with the Superstar, like the heel and the back of and the sides. This for me is a brilliant, subtle, understated, but at the same time blinged out collaboration. Plus the fact that you get this toy for free. Man, wow, that is just awesome. By the way, you have three stripes there along his arm of the figure. Let me just let the camera focus. Ang ganda talaga, oh. This is going to be an instant crazy collectible. So anyway, that's the first shoe. We have the Adidas Superstar. Now we will take a look at the Stan Smith. So the Adidas Stan Smith, of course, everybody knows it. It's one of the most popular Adidas shoes that you can buy today. And the most classic one is the white and green model. So it comes in this white box. You have the three stripes. You have Stan Smith written over here. And if you pop this bad boy open, whoo, super excited to see what it has inside. Oh, it comes with its own dust bag. So that protects the shoe. Ito na. Handa na ba kayo? Ba-bam! Wow. They did the same thing. So they kept the classic design of the Stan Smith, which is the white and green. Brilliant in my opinion. You have the crystal encrusted Stan Smith trefoil logo of Adidas here at the back. You have the same treatment here at the tongue tab, as you guys can see over there. And you have the Dubre again, says Adidas. I think the left pair would say with Adidas Crystals. Everything else is your typical Stan Smith. So they just blinged out the back and they blinged out the front. Man. Also, I immediately noticed the quality of the leather on this one is much better compared to your usual Stan Smith just by touching it. Well, at least that's how I feel. So this is the second sneaker that you can get. Which of the two do you guys prefer? Are you a superstar bling kind of guy, or are you a Stan Smith bling kind of guy? Let me know in the comment section which of the two you guys like. Would love to hear from all of you. Now, this special collection, you can actually buy exclusively only from Commonwealth. And if you buy from them, you get this. You get this as a freebie, which, if you ask me, is insane value for money, because Quiccs figures by their own, the value appreciates. So if you are a collector, if you are a Filipino collector, or if you're a Filipino streetwear enthusiast and you love collecting things, be it sneakers or toys, it is literally mind-blowing why you are not collecting Quiccs, because the guy's Filipino, is a Filipino artist. He's making strides globally. He comes out with amazing work. I'm a huge fan, as you guys can tell. Heck, if you take a look at the artwork here at my back, I bought that primarily because it is inspired by this. So you have the Superstar and then you have the Nanoteq, and I bought it for a ridiculous amount of money primarily because I'm just a fan of the artist. Again, Filipino artist, Filipino art infused with street culture, Japanese culture, and robots. I mean, you can't get better than that. Diba? Panalo, tas mabling-bling pa. So anyway, so if you guys want one, if you guys want either the Swarovski Superstar, if you want the Swarovski Stan Smith with the Quiccs Nanoteq figure, please make sure to check out Commonwealth. The link down below to their Instagram account so you can find out what the details are of their official drop. Make sure you follow them and check out what the announcements that will come to see how you can join and potentially win a chance to purchase any of these amazingly kick-ass pairs with the free Quiccs toy. And with that said, that wraps up our quick unboxing for today. I hope you guys are all fine as usual. Hoping that you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.